Looking at. You've been playing for too long, too long. Boy, I'm trying to see some.
Hey y'all, it's Beauty Allure. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am putting on edge control all over my edges. I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster in coconut. That's the white jar. And I'm just slicking back my edges because we are installing this lace wig that I made from my hair company. Yeah, y'all, I'm having a hair company. I'm dropping it soon. So that's why I've been gone. So I am now using an alcohol pad and I'm cleaning off my hairline because of course edge control got on there and I didn't wear makeup today, but oil's out the day. So I'm taking my LUXE Skin Protector waterproof lace system. I'm spraying it on my finger and I'm just going to apply it to my hairline just because it's just like skin protector that you buy from the store, but with her system she strongly advises that you use it. So when you buy her entire waterproof LUXE system, it comes with skin protector, adhere, oil, and lace release. So I'm applying the adhere with a old makeup brush that I don't use anymore to my edges, not to my edges, to my skin, the thin line, because you have to use three thin layers. Damn, you have to use three layers. So I'm just applying that with a brush, and after that I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes until I tap it with my nail and it doesn't poke back at me. So now you see me applying my second layer. I applied 2 layers only because I didn't want to keep this wig on long. I wanted to make it into a glueless wig eventually. I just wanted to try out her glue. So I am putting the second layer of the glue, but if you want to keep it on for like the full 2 weeks, apply 3 layers. So make sure that you wait. You don't have to wait 10 minutes. You can wait 5 minutes. You can wait 2 minutes. It depends on you. But make sure that when you tap the glue, that it doesn't bounce back at you. If it bounces back at you, you got to keep drying it. So my 2 layers are dry. I dried it. I let it air dry. And now I'm applying my wig. I'm applying the middle first. And for the parts that I can't make lay down, I'm applying pressure with a rat tail comb. And I'm lightly laying the lace into the glue. And you're gonna see me use the comb and comb the hairs back because I don't want hair to get stuck into the glue, if you understand what I'm saying. So right here you just see me using the comb to be a reinforcer to push the glue into the lace into the glue, excuse me. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. So I don't know if you guys can tell on my hairline, I did mess up a little bit. It's like a little bump, but that's because I didn't pull it all the way down to my ear. So when you're applying your wig, make sure you pull it all the way down to my ear. Your ear, sorry. Now I'm using the blow dryer to like dry the lace into the glue. So now, y'all, this is the final result. You can see that little bump I was talking about, but my wig is nice and laid.